Personal Finance Crash Course, Tax Planning and Optimization. Introduction. Tax planning and optimization play a crucial role in personal finance management. By understanding the intricacies of tax laws and utilizing various strategies, individuals can minimize their tax liabilities, maximize their deductions, and optimize their overall financial situation. In this crash course, we will delve into the world of tax planning, exploring methods and secrets that can help you make informed decisions and achieve financial success while staying within legal boundaries. Section 1: The Importance of Tax Planning. In this section, we will discuss the significance of tax planning in personal finance. We'll explore how proper tax planning can help individuals save money, protect their assets, and create a solid financial foundation for the future. We'll also share real-life stories and examples to illustrate the impact of effective tax planning. Section 2: Top 12 Tax Planning Methods/Secrets. Here, we present a comprehensive list of the top 12 tax planning methods and secrets that individuals can employ to optimize their tax situation. Each method will be explained in detail, highlighting its benefits, considerations, and potential risks. The techniques covered may include: 1. Taking advantage of tax deductions and credits. 2. Utilizing tax-efficient investment strategies. 3. Maximizing retirement contributions and utilizing tax-advantaged accounts. 4. Implementing income-splitting strategies. 5. Leveraging tax deferral opportunities. 6. Establishing a business or incorporating to benefit from tax advantages. 7. Charitable giving and utilizing philanthropic deductions. 8. Properly managing capital gains and losses. 9. Utilizing tax-free savings accounts. 10. Understanding and utilizing tax-efficient estate planning strategies. 11. Incorporating tax-efficient education savings plans. 12. Staying informed about changes in tax laws and regulations. Each method will be accompanied by practical examples and scenarios to help readers understand how they can apply these strategies in their own financial planning. Section 3: Summarizing the Tax Planning Crash Course. In this section, we summarize the key points covered in the crash course on tax planning and optimization. We reiterate the importance of tax planning, provide a brief overview of the top 12 methods and secrets discussed, and emphasize the long-term benefits of implementing effective tax strategies. Section 4: A Poem on Tax Planning and Optimization. In the spirit of creativity, we present a heartfelt poem that captures the essence of tax planning and optimization. The poem reflects on the importance of being proactive, making informed decisions, and maximizing financial opportunities. It serves as a reminder of the potential for growth and prosperity that comes from effective tax planning. Section 5: A Song on Tax Planning and Optimization. To conclude this crash course, we present a lively and inspiring song about tax planning and optimization. The song incorporates catchy melodies and lyrics that highlight the key concepts and benefits of tax planning. It serves as a memorable reminder to take control of one's financial future and make the most of available tax strategies. Conclusion. Tax planning and optimization are essential components of personal finance management. By implementing effective tax strategies, individuals can minimize their tax burden and optimize their financial situation. This crash course has provided an overview of tax planning methods and secrets, accompanied by real-life examples, a poem, and a song. Armed with this knowledge, individuals can make informed decisions and pave the way to a more financially secure future. Poem. In the realm of finance, where numbers hold sway, there's a topic that's crucial, we must not delay. Tax planning and optimization, we shall explore. To unlock financial potential, and so much more. In the world of taxes, where rules intertwine, we seek strategies that are truly divine. Deductions and credits, they hold the key to reducing our burden, setting our finances free. From maximizing investments, both big and small, to utilizing retirement accounts, standing tall. Income splitting, a technique so wise, to distribute earnings and minimize our cries. Tax deferral, a powerful tool in our kit. Delaying payments, a savvy financial fit. For businesses, incorporation may hold the key to enjoying tax advantages and setting profit free. Charitable giving, a noble endeavor. With philanthropic deductions, we can endeavor. Capital gains and losses, we must mind. To manage our tax obligations, so we can unwind. Tax-free savings accounts, a haven indeed, where earnings can grow, without any greed. Estate planning, with tax efficiency in mind, to protect our legacy, and leave no debt behind. Education savings, a pathway so bright, to invest in our future, and make things right. Staying informed, as tax laws do change, to adapt our strategies, and never feel estranged. With these 12 secrets, we navigate the maze of tax planning and optimization, in so many ways. Empowered and informed, we take control of our financial destiny, as we reach our goal. So let us be proactive, in this fiscal quest, to optimize our taxes, and give it our best. With knowledge and wisdom, we'll thrive and grow in the realm of finance, where possibilities flow. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of finance, where dollars and cents align, there's a topic that can save us, it's tax planning time. Optimizing our strategies, to keep our wealth intact. Let's dive into the secrets, and never look back. Chorus. Tax planning and optimization, our financial harmony. Unlocking possibilities, setting our money free. From deductions to investments, we'll navigate the way. With tax-smart decisions, we'll thrive every day. Verse 2. Charitable giving, a way to make an impact. With tax benefits aplenty, our generosity intact. Capital gains and losses, a dance of profit and risk. We'll manage them wisely, with a savvy fiscal twist. Chorus. Tax planning and optimization, our financial harmony. Unlocking possibilities, setting our money free. From deductions to investments, we'll navigate the way. With tax-smart decisions, we'll thrive every day. Bridge. Education savings, building a brighter tomorrow. Investing in knowledge, embracing future's glow. Estate planning, securing our legacy so dear. With tax efficiency in mind, we'll face it without fear. Verse 3. Staying informed, as tax laws may change. Adapting our strategies, never feeling estranged. With each decision we make, we'll seize control. Mastering our finances, reaching our financial goal. Chorus. Tax planning and optimization, our financial harmony. Unlocking possibilities, setting our money free. From deductions to investments, we'll navigate the way. With tax-smart decisions, we'll thrive every day. Outro. So let us embrace the power of tax planning. Optimizing our finances, never disbanding. With knowledge as our guide, we'll succeed in the world of taxes, fulfilling our every need. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.